one thing I love the most about you, and so does Oreo, is I love that how sane you can be even in the craziest of times, and how you can rationalize a lot of things when I can't. So I love you for being the saner half of my brain.
Love you for tolerating all my weirdness, for teaching me some kitchen skills, for introducing me to some new shows, and for always being there.
So I have to answer a lot of questions about you or with respect to you and yeah. Okay, so starting with the thing I love about you. As such कुछ चीज नहीं है that I love about you because I love the whole you. I mean you, my sukkad bombil. I love you the way we are together and the things that you keep irritating me with and you very well know what I mean with this specific reaction. I love that about you even though it's irritating but I love it.
What do I love the most about Ashi? यार ऐसे तो सब कुछ है but the best part is that she's एकदम झक्कास बोले तो बिंदास एकदम free straightforward and she's very loving and caring.
The thing that I love about Ashi is that she's consistent. Like, we've been friends for a really long time and I haven't seen a change in her personality. Like, she's the same sweet, kind person whom you can trust, and that's what I love the most about her, that she's reliable and she always stays the same. Like, she doesn't change with times.
My favorite memory with you is fighting over the H&M top.
Our study dates, which turn into sleepovers, from waking up early in the morning and then making a perfect chai and then taking breaks in between to play Ludo and having Maggie and Nesty. I miss those days.
My favorite memory with you. I think even you know this. My favorite memory will always be the memory where I'm at your place, sitting in front of the mirror, making my hair, drinking mixed fruit juice, and discussing about all my problems with you and you giving your full psychological reviews about it कि यार तुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए था वैसा करना चाहिए था. I think that is the best time, and of course our sleepovers that we have, you cannot compare those times with anything else. And one more thing definitely I would want to add on is remember the times, our grassy moments when we used to lie down in Polaris and we used to just stargaze and just talk about different random shit. I really miss all those times. काश हम लोग अभी भी बच्चे होते यार.
There are a lot of favorite and funny memories with Ashi. You know, like the Goa trip, podium pe roz khelna, Sunita ma'am ke classes, and you know some code words like Arpit and Bobby Darling.
So my favorite memory with Ashi would be finding her chappal. Yeah, that's a favorite memory with her.
So there are three favorite memories of mine with Ashi. One has to be the trip that the day trip me, you, Anant and Perry had taken to see the Mumbai city. We were going to Marine Drive and the car ride, so that was really fun. The second was when we were making the Friends I'll Be There For You video. We had so much fun doing God knows what, so that was a really fun favorite memory of mine. And the third one is the New Year's party that we had, I think in your house only, where we were dancing and playing and singing and eating Tabasco sauce, drinking Tabasco sauce shots. So these three are my top favorite memories with you.
Perfect date with Ashi could vary drastically from something as extreme as a walk or a late night drive with something roadside to eat to maybe a dinner in Paris at the fanciest of places, and I'm pretty sure she'd be up for both very happily. As for a favorite cuisine, I'm sure she doesn't like Chinese. She's okay with Asian food, but I'm just going to be safe and say just give her a vada pav and she'll be happy.
The perfect date for Ashi, I think, would be like a candlelight dinner by the beach, and the cuisine could be Asian, and her date would be Akshat for sure.
So the perfect date for Ashi would be, since she loves Ye Jawani Diwani, a person like Bunny, जो उड़ना चाहता है, दौड़ना चाहता है, गिरना चाहता है, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता, and a place filled with snow-capped mountains, and she's sharing this desi daru in the steel casket with him, and talking about life and dreams and aspirations. So I think that would be really very perfect for Ashi.
And the first thing that I want to do when you get back here is have a sleepover with you ASAP.
One thing I would want to do with you when you come over next would definitely be, I mean, I know we did it only once, but it was one hell of a night, and that was in Goa when we got super drunk and we spoke a lot of shit, and I missed that night because it was actually fun, and I really want to do it again. And I really hope, I mean, we'll still have that much fun. Just puking like last time भी नहीं था, इस बार भी नहीं होना चाहिए, but we'll have fun. I think we'll have fun. So I really want to do that again with you. So come soon. Have an amazing birthday. I love you. I miss you. And it's high time we need to have again those psychological talks. I think I'm going insane and I need you to calm me down because just you can't do that.
So what would I do next when I meet Ashi? It depends on where we meet. If we meet in London, I'd like to have some English breakfast with hot chocolate. Whereas if we meet in Mumbai, अरे खाएंगे यार वड़ा पाव, मिसल पाव, चाय के साथ.
The one thing that I want to do with her once she's back is like probably go to the beach and walk over there and just listen to the sound of waves crashing and have burji pav, because this was one of a highlight from the Goa trip, and I think we should definitely do it again.
When I meet Ashi next, what I really want to do is obviously have a sleepover, because I've been missing those. Like for the past couple of years, I haven't had much girlfriends, so I haven't had any girly sleepovers. So I really want to have a sleepover where we dance and play and talk shit and listen to music. So that's what I want to do with Ashi as well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashi. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Ashi, happy birthday.
One wish for Ashi would be that she becomes a very famous and renowned psychologist, जिससे वो मेरे और क्रेजियस की तरह हजारों पागलों को ठीक करे दुनिया भर. And the only advice I would have for Ashi is, तू जो है जैसी है वैसी रह. Stay the same. Enjoy. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Ashi.
Happy birthday, Ashi, and I hope you have a great day and an even better year. My one wish for you this year would be probably find like a nice, hot Spanish guy for yourself.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ashi, happy birthday to you. I hope all your dreams come true and your thesis gets selected so that you get a job there and you stay in London and I meet you there and we have some kick-ass fun there together. And I just want to say, since I'm filming, कि जियो मुस्कुराओ खुश रहो, क्या पता कल हो ना हो. So Ashi, have lots of fun on your birthday and make a birthday wish, because dreams come true every day. I hope to see you soon. Take care, babe. Lots of love. Bye.